with period blood that you already had during the day. That smell mixed with sweat and your other body odors, it's just not, it's gonna be a bad, nobody's gonna wanna get a whiff. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and welcome back to another Jordyn video. Woo, 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 woo. So this week's video is tips and hacks for your period during the summer. I did a poll on my YouTube community tab about what video you guys wanted, and most of you picked this video. I know that it's summertime and it's hot outside. It's like 115 degrees out here and in Las Vegas, so it's hot, and especially on your period. I don't know, and especially on your period, it's just not good. You feel sticky here, you feel sticky there. It's just not a good combination. My first tip is to change your period pad every 4 hours, or like at least every 4 hours. I don't know about you, but I already hate period pads because it's just, and it just feels gross, especially when you're sitting down. I hate it so much. But during the summertime, it gets really gross because it's mixed with period blood and sweat if you're using the same pad for a long time. So it's just that it's a bad mixture and you already feel gross, and it just makes you feel mushy and icky and gucky. So changing your period pad more frequently can actually really help you feel more fresh and not have just a combination of juices. Ew. Tip number 2, drink a lot more water. So I know everybody already tells you when you're on your period, drink water, drink water. Get your liquids, because you're already losing a lot of junk. Blah, blah, blah. So you need to refill it, I guess. I don't know if that's the right term, but yeah, you need to refill it. But during the summertime, it's really worse because it's hot outside and you really need that extra water on your period. So drink a lot more water. I know that for me and my mom, that the heat can cause headaches for us, so it can make us feel like just really bad. During the summertime on your period, feel like you're gonna faint really easily because it's hot outside, you're on your period, you already don't feel your 100% best. So it's really important to make sure you're keeping your body cool. Tip number 3 is to bring like baby wipes or sanitary wipes with you everywhere, especially if you're gonna be outside, so you can just wipe. On your period, blood can get everywhere, which sucks, but sometimes you just want to get that extra freshness and you just want to wipe off the excess blood, the dried blood that could be anywhere, and it does make you feel a lot more clean than just wiping with a normal paper, not paper towel, with the toilet paper. Tip number 4 is to wear breathable clothing. You don't want to wear something super tight like leggings or like super tight long sleeve shirts or something like that. You want to wear something that is breathable because you want to get that air flowing in, especially during the summer, because you already aren't feeling your best. I'm not 100%. So if you're in like tight clothing that is trapping in sweat and stuff and you're on your period, it's just not good. And no. So just wear breathable clothing and, you know, shake around, get that air flowing. Tip number 5. So I know this is a big one because a lot of us are going swimming during the summer, we're going to the beach, we're going to the pools, and sometimes we can't really like avoid to be able to get off our period and avoid going to the pool or the beach that day, because sometimes we're going on a trip with our parents, or sometimes the pool party that day. So what do? You can't just wear pads when you're swimming because they're just gonna soak up and absorb the water. And if you are comfortable and if you are allowed to, you can try tampons, which would work. But also, period swimwear is a thing, so it works just like period underwear would work. So it just soaks up the blood, but it's a swimsuit, so it's like designed into it, and you can just buy one of those, wear one of those, and it would work perfectly fine. Ruby Love, I've talked about them before. They actually have really good period swimwear and period bikinis. I can link them down below because those are a really good option. This is my bikini. It is super cute, but I wouldn't want to wear something like this on my period. One, because it is light colored, so if I leak, then it's gonna be, everybody's gonna see, and 2, it's not really gonna protect my blood from going everywhere. So I would opt for something more like this, that it's more protective. It's from Ruby Love, and it's actually like built for periods. And this is not sponsored, but they actually have some really cute swimsuits. They have a really cute red one. Ironic, I know. And they have a really cute like one piece, and it's super cute, so go check them out if you're thinking about that option. You don't want to get in the water and look like a shark attack. I know we already talked about changing your pad often, but you also want to be making sure that your underwear isn't damp with body fluids and sweat, because it can cause infections and odors. Tampons and pads can leak, and it kind of happens like often. So if that does happen and it gets on your underwear, make sure to change it, because if you just leave it there, it can really start to smell, and there's a possible chance that you can get an infection, and we don't want any of that. So just make sure that you're keeping fresh and breathable underwear. You don't want super tight underwear too. Also, tip number 8, I think this is. Whatever. Next tip, you want to make sure that you are cleaning yourself, you're taking showers, especially during the summertime. You want to make sure you're cleaning yourself at least morning and night, because you wake up icky, but you take a shower in the morning fresh, and then you go through your whole entire day, and if you don't shower at night, then you can still you're still having sweat on you, gross dust particles, and we don't want any of that. You want to be your freshest self, especially on your period. So then just if you take a shower at night, then you're fresh for the nighttime, especially going to sleep, because if you're sleeping with period blood that you already had during the day and you go to sleep with it, there's going to be more period blood at night, and you're just not going to feel comfortable. You're going to feel icky. You do want to make sure that you are cleaning yourself good, because that smell mixed with sweat and your other body odors, because you do smell more when you're sweating, it's just not, it's going to be a bad, nobody's going to want to get a whiff. So you want to make sure that you're using deodorant to stop the sweat, that you're cleaning yourself properly, and use some spray. My last tip is to get a lot of rest. You don't always need to be out and about during the summertime. You can use your period as downtime, especially because it's super hot outside. You're going to be feeling more tired, you're going to feel icky. So make sure you just get some rest, relax, you're on your period. It's okay. It's okay to have some lazy days. Those are all my period tips and hacks for the summertime. Periods suck, I know that, but we just have to push through, and I hope these tips and tricks kind of helped you guys more on getting through your period, especially during the summertime. I know it's hot, it's so hot outside for me. You can really cook an omelet, but we just gotta go through it, because we're not gonna get rid of them anytime soon. So yeah, I hope these tips helped you guys out, and I do have a really good story time for next week, so make sure you stay tuned in that. It is period related, and it's pretty crazy, so I can't wait for you guys to hear that story. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you!